Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Mason Jar Garage. We're going to change it up today. This is going to be our first content that's not Le Mans related. This one isn't going to be so much of a like how-to or anything like that. This is, I guess, more about jumping on opportunities when they present themselves. I was cruising Facebook Marketplace last night and I found, let me turn you around here. I found this 2014 Ford Focus sedan, and yes, it's pretty well stripped, but there's actually still a lot of good parts here, and that was what I had noticed about it. Like right up here, we've still got the electric steering rack that's on it. We've still got brake master cylinder and booster. Right over here we've got the ABS unit. Still got some suspension pieces. I don't know that they'll be worth anything. Come in here, we've got a shifter assembly, and it's got the linkage still connected to it out there. We've got a full set of airbags in this car. The curtain airbags are still there. There's the knee airbag. The front steering wheel airbag is actually back here. I've already looked under the dash over there on the passenger side. That airbag's still there. Even though they're nasty, we've got a good set of seats here that I actually want for something else. Be glad you can't smell this thing. It smells like rat crap at the moment. Got a good center console, which I may also use for something else. And then coming around the back here, we've actually got a really nice trunk pan that I may try to cut out of this just to save for another project. We've got a fuel tank still in it. You can see it right there, which means it's probably still got the fuel pump and all that in there. May be worth something. Now, I had to drive about an hour to pick this up, but it was free. All I've got in it is my time and gas to go get it. So, especially with it having the airbags, I should be able to make a few $100s off of this anyway. And at least get a set of seats out of it that I can use for something else. So yeah, a lot of people would look at this on there and think, well, it's just a piece of crap. And it is a piece of crap. But it's a piece of crap with value. May also cut the roof panel out of it here just to use as spare metal for patching other stuff, namely that. So I'm just going to set the camera down and start stripping stuff off of here, because I don't want to even take it off the trailer. I just want it here for a day or two while I pull what I want out of it. And then take it to the scrap yard, and I'll probably make, $20 at the scrap yard off what's left, but I'll definitely come out better off on it. So yeah, today's video is not going to be a long one or anything. I'm going to speed up basically the whole thing, and then once I get everything that I'm going to keep off of here, anything that's of value, I'll show you in the end what all we get, and what we estimate we might get selling it all. Alright, let's get started. Alright, now I just got to figure out how to get it back off the jack stands. Should be easy.
Alright, hey everyone, it's VoiceOver Scott joining you real quick. Just wanted to say I may have told a teensy weensy lie about this being short. Sorry about that. And also, don't do any of these things at home.
Hey, you guys know that song about doing some sketchy stuff and getting away with it? Let's see if we can do that. Well, that did not work at all. I don't know what I expected. Let's see. I don't need it to do a lot for me. I just need it to do a little. Let's see, that looks promising. Alright, and now you might say to yourself, Scott, you have it stuck on a jack stand instead of the jack now. What's your plan? Well, my plan definitely doesn't involve this hammer and that release arm on the jack and having you guys just look up at the sky for a minute. There. Nothing sketchy going on here. Nothing at all. Hey, I said look up at the sky. See? It's so nice up there. And you're not missing anything down here. Definitely nothing sketchy or nothing that may have just broken a jack stand. You guys see any birds up there? I'll be a little late for birds. She keep watching though. I can guarantee you this car's seeing some birds right now. Everything okay? Everything looks okay. Couple of scratches. Nothing major though. Alright, I think that's enough bird watching. And bring you back down here. Now, I have no idea how the car came down off the jack stand while you were watching birds. Really wish you guys had been paying attention. It would, see, it's not on the jack stand at the moment. Jack stand's just really heavy and I'm really tired, so that's why I'm having to move it like this. See, it wasn't on the jack stand still. Now it may seem like the retention pin for this jack release handle has been sheared off, and that's because it has. Again, I have no idea how that would have happened. I am absolutely clueless. I guess I'll have to fix that. But I think the important thing here is that the car got itself down off the jack stand with absolutely no help from me or you. 'Cause you were off watching birds, and I was up in the garage taking a break. So whatever it did it on its own. And that's really all that matters. Alright, we are back out here for another evening of work on this piece of crap after work. I've already had it here longer than I would like to, but you know, life happens. So I've still got to pull all the airbags out of this. I've got to pull the center console, the shifter assembly, maybe the steering column, and the seat belts. I think is mainly what I want to get out of here. So I'm going to see how much I can get done this evening and over the next couple of evenings, and then hopefully this Saturday get it hauled off to the scrap yard so I can get my trailer empty. Oh yeah, Kel is going to work on pressure washing the seats.
This stuff is for non-porous material.
They're super gross. Let's see if I can find a good place to sit you. It might be alright.
Hey everyone, voiceover Scott joining you again here. So we're coming up on the end of the video. I know you're all so sad that it's over so quickly. Not too far after this, the camera died and I didn't notice it, so I didn't really get any more footage of pulling stuff out of the car. But we did get quite a few good parts out of this vehicle. It cost me nothing to go get it other than time and gas. I made close to $90 just on scrapping the vehicle at the scrapyard, plus all the other parts that I've got to sell off of it. So in the end, I'll probably make $400 or $500 off of the car. So the point of the video is really just to keep your eyes open, because you can make some money doing this kind of stuff. This is the first time I've ever done it. It's nothing that I'm going to do regularly, but I figured it was close enough and worth my time. So anyway, I appreciate you watching the video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment. Ring the bell. I hate to be that guy asking you to do those things, but they really do help move the YouTube algorithm along in my favor, and we're still trying to grow the channel here. So anything you do like that really does help. Thanks.
Mason jars on dusty shelves and to save us now. Neon lights flicker hard, shadows dance aloud. Rusty tools on memories, we share the scars. In this garage we raise hell, fixing cars.